Mind it. That's a salad made of potatoes.
Oh boy, oh Ohio.
Holland and Marcel? I never seen this kind of combo before.
Oh, that's a highly DD aggressive
Yeah.
combo. And then they have Ohio and Kremlin. Ooh, scary.
So
Yeah,
one's
yeah.
one's a soccer, one's a
I think
dumbbell.
if someone
Oh.
remembers, like we played a match when I think Silent was not there. Uh, the one with Nicolaso, we actually lost the same.
Can I
to the
say anything?
same.
Five, it's not being rude, mate, but we need to hear positions.
Okay.
Kremlin 2A. Near that island on the C3.
Who to A?
Stalingrad. Yes, A. On the C3 here. Stalingrad here. On the left side of the island. And Petropavlovsk on C. Hindenburg support A. Around here.
Okay.
GB around here.
Gotcha. Do you want me to go
Also-
behind my little island?
Also, Shumi spot the A section more at the start.
Okay. Yeah, because of
There's
the
two A DD still. Yeah. I'll try to get the C cap first.
The double battleship going A.
Ohio and Kremlin. So cannot overmatch your nose like the Yamato. Han's going to A.
Use AP on the Marceau.
Because of the saturation.
Yes.
But you can shoot HE at the start.
Oh yeah, and aim further because it's fast.
Totally.
Petro, go towards the inside. Like where I'm going.
Ah. I didn't see because of the fucking smoke.
There's a Moscow and Kremlin coming, not Kremlin, sorry. Stalingrad coming towards B. I can stealth spot them. I think.
I'm surface spotted now.
Same.
Where's the
Holland.
Marcel? Oh, the Marcel. Probably. I think Holland and Marcel are the same
Marcel's
area.
taking the central position because that's where my RPF's pointing.
Okay, around here.
Yeah, somewhere there. A little bit higher, like C5. E5 rather.
Yeah, could be. Away from the fighters, I believe.
Right, it's just shifted up D4.
Okay, from this next island, Petro, turn in towards.
That was close.
Oh, there's the
close.
Marcel.
means the
Hinden focus
Holland
on
is
the
middle.
Marcel.
That's a Holland Torps. That's 2 times 5. So both of them are in A.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
That's the second one. Right, so we need to deal with this Stalin and Moscow as quickly as we can.
Yeah, we just need to hold. You need to push quick.
Oh, they just turned in. Fantastic.
We can keep them decapped and they don't even have a cap advantage.
Yeah.
Okay, both the Marcel and the Holland 8.
I decapped the Moskova if someone can land shells on Stalingrad
Shells
first.
incoming.
Oh, lost vision to the Massa. Had a perfect shot too.
Ouch. Okay, I'm going for the Moscow as well.
Believe Stalin's gonna pop from this. Only thing I'm worried about is getting caught on the radar with my pants down. Oh shit! No!
What happened?
I'm gonna get beached.
Okay.
Moscow is very low compared to what it should be.
Yeah.
Yeah, focus the
Fine.
Moscow if you can. I'm going
behind-
to
He's behind island.
guys.
Thank you, Shumi.
I'm being perma spotted by something, probably one of the DDs.
Fuck
Yeah.
this island. You know island? You are a son of a bitch.
That's a Marcel. I'm gonna radar.
Anyway. Okay, you guys keep pushing because I can go on the flank and I'll try to torpedo them also.
Ah, son of a
Okay,
bitch.
seems as if they are focus firing me.
I'm radared.
Show me if you have time, drop a fighter around here so
London,
keep
what's
the
your right
Moscow
hand
starting
side?
Yeah, the
spotted.
Highland just moved into.
Yeah. I'm in
Yeah.
trouble now. The two DDs here are too much
Petro,
for me to
position
handle.
yourself here.
Yeah, you should reverse.
On the side you are on to the island.
I've got to make sure I don't show broadside to the Ohio, otherwise I'll get deleted.
My troops are going forward. Be careful.
Now the Highland is spotting me.
My troops are going forward, Des Moines. Up. Radar then. If you get spotted.
Me? I've already,
Fire, could you hydro?
Yeah, you said
Yep,
you were
yep,
spotted
yep,
by
yep.
the Holland, right?
already radared.
Oh, okay.
I radared before I started my push to see if the Highland had already made it.
I'm focusing the Kremlin now as well.
Moscow behind island. Fuck. Moscow is going towards you, Petro. You're gonna show broadside.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, high shots. Trying to move. Not fast enough.
Nice shot. Just a little bit more. We got this flank.
Finish that.
I need a clear shot to shoot.
Torps coming. Holland torpedoes.
Yep, that's gonna eat them. Fuck.
I got 3 fires on me. I can't put it out. I'm dead.
I'm gonna start kiting away then, see if I can turn her out.
GB. Okay, nice.
No, get the cap.
GB, get the cab. I'm gonna
Gotcha.
cut in the middle.
Can
you spot the Ohio?
I can't get the. I can't. We're not with the Ohio there.
No,
And
just
fire
get
first,
the
prepare
cab.
to leave as well.
I'm gonna push forward. Okay.
That
that's
Ohio
fine.
needs to die.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be out of hydro
Holland's
soon. Huh?
shit.
Yeah, it's pretty hard because of the DD down here.
Yeah.
And shit.
Shumi, just watch that.
The lead is going for Shumi though, I think.
Seems that way.
Oh fuck. No spotting. Shit. Can you get the cap?
No, I can't get the cap. Not with the Ohio there. Ohio can delete me.
Yeah, but we kill it.
Ohio overmatches everything.
Yeah, he's shooting at me though.
I can't do that for 60 seconds.
It doesn't overmatch your belt armor if you angle.
No, he
does.
overmatches him. 457. Do the math. You're the nerd.
Not if you angle. That's the thing. It can
No.
overmatch the bow, but you can bounce with the
doesn't.
angle.
The belt
Doesn't
armor, it
matter.
doesn't overmatch, no.
Yeah. But the deck armor and the nose armor.
Yeah, this is why you have to get in close to tank. because then the shots are coming straight out. If you angle it, it starts hitting your belt armor. You no longer have to worry about your nose.
Kremlin, just ammo comp. Focus on Kremlin if you can.
But now
Yeah,
the
but-
Ohio.
Kill the wire
He's
first.
undetected, right?
Oh, the Ohio is really low now.
We've
Yeah.
got to heal away.
Yeah, he's going to go down, I reckon.
Okay, start
Yeah.
capping, GB.
Damage
Gotcha.
comp.
There's no way he's gonna spot you now. Oh, Shumi! DD.
Fireface, try to go dark and
Hmm.
turn around.
Okay, I'll turn around totally.
I killed him. Get the cap.
On it.
Spotted by the Harlan.
Secondaries.
Hydro running. Hydro is running.
Nice.
Can you help Shumi?
I'm going.
Torps.
If Tropes hits and his secondary would be nice. He has armor to withstand his HE. I have my spotter plans off. It's the best. Torpedo. Thanks for the hydro. Oh, there's a Kremlin's alive. Healthy. Shit.
Did he just white spies?
we-
He must have white spies.
Fucking Marceau needs to die.
Yeah, shell's
Gonna
going.
take top.
Oh my god, really? Oh my god, fucking hell. GB, don't shoot too much guns. They'll get spotted.
Okay, don't worry, I can
We don't know the Kremlin's whereabouts.
maybe.
There you go.
Do we win by points now?
I guess.
Yes,
Seems
we
like
will.
it.
Yeah, we just hang on.
Just
Okay,
just spot
just
the
run away.
Kremlin and keep him spotted.
Alright.
Harlan's around here.
No, he's
I
not.
think.
No, he's not.
Oh, I'm ready located. He's here.
No, he's not.
Interesting.
I'm pretty sure. I'm ready located and I'm in front of you, so.
I'm not detected, so he has to
I'm
be
detected.
somewhere
I
my
just got
radio
detected by crossing here, so he's here.
Simon, listen, my radio detection is pointing to H5. So he's behind that island.
Yeah, I just what I said. Around here. I
Yeah,
exactly got
okay.
spotted when I went there.
Okay. So
Kremlin's pretty far.
We
We just need to
hang on
hold the
this
caps
cap.
without
Yeah,
dying.
gotcha. Right, I'm detected.
Hold the cap.
Try to get away. If
Just keep
possible.
the cap. I'm
Go
gonna
dark
hold
and
them.
get away.
Oh, we have Hinden and Starling also alive.
Yeah,
Nice radar.
just stay
Oh my
alive
God.
as much as you can, fire.
Only
Yeah, but
if I
the thing
can.
is, Kremlin can really beach me. I'm in a very bad position here.
Just turn this angle away. You're showing your side. Hug the
The
border
moment you
and
get
you.
spotted and just run into the border, it's fine.
Yeah,
We just need time right now.
I should
I can
have
get
the
the
Kremlin
Harlan if
broadside in a
I.
moment. Focus on the Kremlin.
Do you have Hydro, BGB?
No, I don't. I'm sorry. I'm just going to take one torp. Or two.
Yeah, they's doing almost no damage.
I'm gonna see if I can distract.
Ha!
them.
But,
GG.
well done.
Nice hit on Kremlin. The Kremlin is turning to me now. Are you spotted, fire?
That's a big line for a kill.
Almost. Yes, I'm spotted.
Then fire
I
at
go
Kremlin.
towards
Don't show
them.
side though. Hug the border.
Hydro, then fire at Kremlin.
Simon, you're walking away with this
Yeah.
Kraken.
Just border
Okay,
hump and go towards
Kremlin's
them.
on
The
my
Petro isn't scary. And we
fighting
can get the
range.
Kremlin.
10 seconds.
Kremlin's on my firing range.
Yeah, we win. We win. They don't have the reload. Unless they detonate
One
Fireface now.
single pen. Nice.
Oh, you got a Kraken.
Good play.
That was very close. We're
Good
very well pushed.
shit. Do you know how much damage I dealt to the
Back
Moscow
is
at the start
trickle,
of the
baby!
match?
With a clean slate.
Someone got a fucking Kraken.
The first salvo onto the Moscow was 10k.
Silence, Kraken!
Nice.
I got 3
Holy
kills.
shit.
This was really
I got all the kills, really?
Yes.
Oh my
Yep.
god.
Really well done on the east flank, everyone.
Off of me.
I was thinking
map
like
was
we already
really,
have a
really
Hindenburg as a
crazy.
fire starter, and GB is also a fire starter. Let's put a kiting cruiser which deals huge alpha damage on the Stalin and Muscovas,
I think the Stalin really pulled me out of there because if he
and
didn't say
and it
me,
paid off.
Fire says, come back, don't move forward.